welcome to the DevOps Factory. In today's video, we will learn how to create an Ubuntu EC2 instance on AWS and connect using SSH step by step. If you are beginner to AWS and DevOps, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will have your own cloud server running on AWS. We will launch Ubuntu EC2 instance and configure security and key pair, connecting using MobaXterm, and we can run some basic commands. Let's start demo. Make sure you should have an AWS account and MobaXterm installed in your local machine. After login to AWS console management, click on EC2 or launch EC2 instance. Click on it. Always select nearest region for your better performance, but as of now I am selecting United States, Virginia. Name the instance. I am going to give the name as my demo server. Okay. Scroll down. Choose AMI as image, OS image. I am going to select Ubuntu. Ubuntu 24.04.04.20s. I am going to change this and select as your wish. I am going to select this. Okay, confirm changes. Yeah, click on confirm changes. Here LTS means long term service. No, long term support. Come down, and instance type I have selected T3 micro. If you are eligible for free tier, you can select T2 micro also. It's okay for demo. Key pair, create a new key pair. If you are doing for first time, name with the key pair. I am giving the name as USA key. Key type, key pair type, select RSA, and private key file format is format PEM key. And now click on create key pair, and downloaded here file. Okay, and scroll down, select network setting as a default IP setting, and security group. It should allow SSH traffic for login EC2 instance, and now hello HTTPS also. Click on this also, traffic. Scroll down. 000 means you can access from any IP address. Here GB, we are going to select 10 GB. 8 GB is also enough for demo, no issue. Click on launch instance. Launch instance. Yeah, successfully launched. Click on this. This takes few time. It takes some time to launch, to come up. Yeah, we successfully launched EC2 instance. Name demo server, and instance state is running, and instance type is T3 micro, and private IP is this, public DNS. Okay, come scroll down. You see your key, PEM key is USA key. So using this key we are going to connect your EC2 instance. For that we are going to copy this public IP, come to MobaXterm, click on section, click on SSH, paste your public IP address here and select this Ubuntu Ubuntu advanced access setting. Select keeper and browse here for your key which you have created and downloaded there. Yes, this is the path which I am going to select. Open, click on OK. Yeah, we successfully launched our EC2 instance. Sudo apt update. Whenever you create a new instance, you must be update. Yeah, this takes some time to launch. Here it's packages and reading packages list 33%. Yeah, it's done. Let's run some basic commands. AMI. It is an Ubuntu. uname -a. You see this is the selected instance Linux. Then run some commands. Rakesh. We are going to create file name by Rakesh. Editor is open. Insert I. This is Rakesh. And then demo server here. Click on this click on this. Launch.